In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a silhouette effect in CapCut step by step using a really simple workflow that works great for reels, shorts, edits, and cinematic videos. This effect is perfect when you want to turn a person or subject into a dramatic black cutout while keeping the background visible. It looks advanced, but once you see the process, it's actually very easy to do. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more CapCut editing tips. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut and import the clip you want to use. Once your video is inside the project, drag it down onto the main timeline track so you can start editing it properly. This is the foundation of the effect because everything we do next will be built from this clip. Now, we need to duplicate the clip. To do that, hold the Alt key and drag the clip straight upward. When you do this correctly, CapCut creates a perfectly aligned duplicate on a new track above the original. You should now see one clip on V1 and the duplicated version directly above it on V2. This is important because we're going to use the bottom clip as the background and the top clip as the subject cutout. Next, we need to isolate the foreground subject. Select the top clip on V2, then go to the Video tab in the top right Properties panel. From there, find the Remove BG option, or in some versions it may be called Cutout. Click it and then choose Auto Removal. CapCut will now detect the person or subject in your video and remove the background from the top layer, leaving only the foreground element visible. At this point, you should already have the main structure of the effect in place. The original clip is still underneath and the subject on the top layer is isolated. Now we're going to transform that isolated subject into a silhouette. With the top clip still selected, go to the Adjust tab in the right-hand panel. This is where the color and tonal changes happen. Look for the Curves section. Depending on your version of CapCut, you may see this labeled as Curves, or you may see HSL or CS related controls. The goal here is to reduce the brightness of the subject until it becomes completely black. Click on the Luma or white curve. Then grab the top right node and drag it all the way down to the bottom right corner. As you do this, the brightness of the isolated subject drops dramatically and the figure should start turning into a solid dark shape. This is the key step that creates the silhouette look. To make sure the silhouette is fully black and consistent, repeat the same adjustment for the red, green, and blue curves. Bring each one down in the same way so the subject loses its color information and becomes a clean black cutout. This helps remove any remaining tones or color tint that might still be visible after the first adjustment. If the silhouette is not dark enough yet, you can fine-tune the curves a little more until the subject looks completely black. The exact result will depend on your footage, lighting, and exposure, so don't be afraid to adjust slightly until it looks right. The background clip underneath will remain visible, which is what makes the effect stand out so well. You can also enhance the final look by adding a little contrast to the background, or by placing the silhouette against a bright sky, colorful scene, or moving background. That contrast between the black subject and the visible environment makes the effect much more dramatic and eye-catching. Once you're happy with the result, play back your timeline and preview the silhouette effect from start to finish. If everything is set up correctly, you should now have a clean silhouette created entirely inside CapCut using duplicate layers, background removal, and curves adjustments. And that's how you create a silhouette effect in CapCut. It's a really useful technique for edits, intros, transitions, and creative videos, and now you can do it in just a few simple steps. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next editing tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.